सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे श्रेया कंप्यूटर चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hi friends, my name is Shyam and you're watching Shreya Computer Tech Channel. So friends, today is the good news for Moto E users. The brand new Android Oreo was released yesterday. It was in beta condition test, but as soon as stable version is going to be released. This ROM is mostly synchronizing in personal settings, notification criteria, Android UI, the battery optimization and the performance improved. So friends, it was very easy to install this ROM. This ROM version is 15 LineageOS, which I given you in below link description. You may find it. So let's get it started, friends. So friends, before installing this custom ROM, I have to tell you something. First of all, we need to enable developer option in this device, and afterwards you may unlock your bootloader and the final install TWRP. After successfully install TWRP, you may boot into TWRP recovery by pressing volume up and down and power. When it's booted into TWRP, we need to wipe our temporary data cache and previous settings. Click wipe. After it displays like this, select advanced wipe. And this criteria, select Dalvin Art Cache, System, Data and Cache. These are most important to wipe successfully. Slide this menu to right to wipe this successfully. It will take a little bit time. The data wiped successfully. Then we have to go back to install ROM. Click on back. It appears again home screen. Select install, select ROM and simply swipe right to install. Friends, the ROM was successfully installed. Then we need to go install GApps. Select back. Here you can refer open GApps. Friends, I choose nano version of GApps. Select the apps and your appears like this. Simply swipe right to install. Friends, there is different types of Google apps available in the link description. I chosen the nano version of GApps, which is low customization. You can choose as you wish. The types of GApps are Pico, Nano, Aroma and stock versions. After successfully install GApps, we need to wipe our temporary data and cache. Select wipe cache and Dalvin and simply swipe right. After formatted the temporary data, click reboot your system. Friends, this is my home screen of Moto E. We can find so much to change in settings. There is segregation done in settings, just like related all settings has been made into one setting. On or before this, we can find only one list. But in this ROM, when we look up into network and settings, we'll find Wi-Fi, mobile data, usage and hotspots, something like. And we choose the connected device, we'll show Wi-Fi, USB, cast, like that. And we'll see in the display, it will show wallpaper, sleep, font size, like that. Friends, this is the Android version of my mobile. The Android version is 8.1 and the model number Moto E. The security patch level December 5th. So friends, hope you like this video. I will keep updating you in below description. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Bye bye.